There is a quiet kind of beauty that doesn't ask for attention, yet it holds it effortlessly. It doesn't rely on noise, bright colors, or complexity. Instead, it exists in something far subtler, something rooted deep within the natural world. Wood carries that quiet beauty. Not because it tries to stand out, but because it doesn't need to. Long before it becomes part of our spaces, it lives a life shaped by time itself. It grows slowly, layer by layer, season after season, absorbing the rhythm of nature. Sunlight leaves its warmth. Rain leaves its mark. Wind influences its direction. And time gives it character. That character is never random. Every line within it is a memory. Every pattern is a reflection of something it has experienced. And when that material finally reaches the hands of a creator, it doesn't arrive as something blank. It arrives with a story already written. But here's where things become truly fascinating. Because that story isn't finished. It's only beginning a new chapter. When wood enters the creative process, it meets intention. It meets imagination. It meets a vision that seeks not to erase what already exists, but to elevate it. This is not about starting from nothing, it's about continuing something that nature has already begun. And that's what makes the process so unique. You're not just shaping a material. You're responding to it. Each piece has its own personality. Some are bold, with strong lines and striking contrasts. Others are soft, subtle, almost quiet in their appearance. Some carry unexpected marks that interrupt perfection and somehow make them even more compelling. These aren't imperfections. They are identity. The true art lies in recognizing that identity and working with it rather than against it. Because the moment you stop trying to control every detail, something changes. The process becomes more natural, more fluid, more alive. Instead of forcing a result, you begin to discover it. And that discovery is where passion reveals itself. Not in perfection, but in attention. Not in speed, but in patience. There's a certain discipline in working this way. A willingness to slow down in a world that constantly pushes for faster results. A decision to value depth over convenience. And in that decision, something meaningful begins to take shape. Each movement becomes intentional. Each choice carries weight. Each step becomes part of something bigger than just the final outcome. Because true craftsmanship is not defined by what you create but by how you create it. It's in the care you bring to every stage of the process. The focus you maintain when no one is watching. The respect you show to the material, even in the smallest details. And that respect is something you can feel. Even if you don't immediately understand why, there's a difference between something that is made and something that is truly crafted. One is produced. The other is expressed. And wood has a remarkable way of revealing that difference. It doesn't hide shortcuts. It doesn't disguise carelessness. It reflects exactly what is given to it. If rushed, it shows it. If handled with patience, it rewards it. That honesty is what makes it so powerful. Because it challenges the creator to be present. To be intentional. To be fully engaged in the process from beginning to end. There is no room for distraction when you're working with something that demands your full attention. And in that focused state, something unexpected happens. The process itself becomes meaningful. It's no longer just about reaching the end. It becomes about experiencing each step along the way. The sound of tools meeting the surface. The gradual transformation of texture. The moment when raw form begins to reveal something refined. These are not just steps. They are moments. Moments where effort becomes visible. Where ideas become tangible. Where passion becomes real. And perhaps that's why creations shaped from wood feel different. They carry more than form. They carry presence. There's a warmth in them that goes beyond physical touch. A sense of depth that can't be replicated by artificial materials. It's subtle, but undeniable. It feels grounded. It feels real. And in a world that often feels increasingly artificial, that sense of authenticity matters more than ever. Because people are not just looking for things to fill their spaces. They are looking for meaning. For connection. For something that feels genuine. And that's exactly what thoughtful creation provides. Not by trying to impress, but by staying true to its origin. Wood never forgets where it comes from. Even after it's shaped, refined, and placed into a new environment, it still carries the essence of its natural beginning. That connection remains intact. And that continuity is what gives it timeless appeal. Trends may shift. Styles may evolve. But authenticity doesn't go out of relevance. It doesn't depend on what's popular. It depends on what's real. And real things endure. They don't need constant reinvention to stay valuable. They simply exist in their truest form, and that's enough. This is the quiet strength of something shaped by nature and built with passion. It doesn't demand attention. It earns it. Not instantly, but gradually. The more you observe it, the more you begin to notice. Details that weren't obvious at first start to reveal themselves. Subtle textures begin to stand out. Small decisions made during the process become visible. And with that awareness comes appreciation. Because you begin to understand that what you're looking at is not just a finished result. It's a journey. A transformation that started long before the crafting process even began. From growth to selection to shaping to refinement. Each phase contributes something essential. Each stage leaves its mark. And together, they form something that cannot be replicated exactly the same way again. That uniqueness is not manufactured. It's inherent. And that's what makes it valuable. Not because it's rare in the traditional sense, but because it's impossible to duplicate in the exact same way. Every piece carries its own identity. Its own story. Its own presence. And when you bring that into your environment, you're not just adding something functional. You're adding something meaningful. Something that continues to evolve in the way it is experienced over time. Because the relationship doesn't end when the creation is finished. It continues. It becomes part of daily life. Part of moments, routines, and memories. And over time, it gains even more character, not through change in form, but through connection. That's something mass-produced objects rarely achieve. Because they are designed for consistency. But true craftsmanship is defined by individuality. And that individuality is what creates lasting impact. It's what turns something simple into something memorable. Something ordinary into something meaningful. And all of it begins with a choice. A choice to create with intention. A choice to respect the material. A choice to invest time, focus, and care into something that may take longer but will last far beyond the moment it's completed. That choice is not always the easiest. But it is always the most rewarding. Because in the end, what you create is not just seen. It is felt. And that feeling is what stays. Long after trends fade. Long after styles change. Long after the process is complete. So the next time you encounter something shaped from wood, take a moment to truly observe it. Not just for what it looks like but for what it represents. a connection between nature and human creativity. A balance between patience and passion. A reminder that the most meaningful things are not rushed but carefully brought to life. And if this perspective resonates with you, if you find yourself drawn to the quiet beauty of natural materials and the depth of thoughtful creation, then you're in the right place. Because this is more than just design. It's a way of seeing. A way of creating. A way of appreciating the value of what is real. If you enjoyed this journey, take a moment to support it. Like this video, share it with someone who appreciates creativity, and let it inspire more people to see the beauty in natural craftsmanship. And if you want to continue exploring ideas shaped by nature and built with passion, subscribe to Crafted Wood Studio. There's always more to discover. And every creation has a story waiting to be told.